Hi friends, I am Anshul from West Highlander Immigration Chandigarh, and today's topic of discussion is all about career counseling for the students who are looking to study in Canada after 10 plus 2. So we have with us subject matter expert Ma'am Parvinder Kaur. We welcome you to, ma'am, for the discussion. So ma'am, could you please tell us what are the various courses available for the students after 10 plus 2 in Canada?
Canada is a country which has got lots of options for students who wish to pursue their studies after doing their 10 plus 2.
Right.
So depending on the interest of the student, the career outcomes they would like to have, the time they would like to spend on their studies in Canada, the theory or practical component of the programs, as well as the budget the family has, the student may choose to do a diploma, an advanced diploma,
right,
a bachelor's degree, or an associate degree for their further studies in Canada.
Okay, right, ma'am. So, ma'am, as you told, various type of programs. So, what are the differences between all these programs?
Well, these programs differentiate, as I previously spoke, in terms of the duration the student would be studying, the course contents which would lead to different career outcomes,
Right.
As well as the finances involved in the programs.
Right.
So broadly speaking, an advanced diploma is of 3 years of duration, whereas a simple diploma program is of a duration of 2 years.
Right.
An associate degree the students needs to study for 2 years, and a bachelor's program that's for 4 years. So these were the differences in terms of the duration the students would like to study.
Okay. So, ma'am, what type of the courses a student may opt after completion of his 10 plus 2?
Okay. As I said, that it all depends on the career outcomes. So I would be differentiating these programs based on the career outcomes, which would also cover the course contents and the duration. So for example, if you are a student who is much into learning things practically, not a kind of person who would like to study more of a theory,
Right.
then diploma would be a good option for a student of this kind.
Right.
If I talk about an advanced diploma, in those diplomas, along with the practical component, there is a theory component also.
Right.
So it's a blend of these two things if
Okay.
I talk about advanced diplomas. Then there are bachelor's degree. These degrees are 4 years in duration. So here the student learn things like designing, drafting, planning, the theory aspects of the things.
Okay.
So to clarify more, I would quote an example of an engineering course over
Right.
here. Okay. Suppose you are a student who have done his 10 plus 2 in non-medical, and now you are wanting to do an engineering program for further studies. So if you choose to do a diploma in engineering, so this diploma would be more of a practical skill component it would be having, and after the completion of the program, you would be getting jobs like engineering technician.
Right.
Comparing this to an advanced diploma, as I spoke, that it's a blend of theory and practical. So the completion of 3 years of an advanced diploma may lead to jobs with designation of engineering technologist.
Okay.
Okay. Again, if you choose to do a bachelor's in engineering, which is a 4 years program,
Right.
so this course is such structured that the student would be learning designing, planning, drafting, so more of these things. And after the completion of the course, the student may work as an engineer.
Right.
So depending on the course the student have completed, the job title would be different,
Right.
as well as the salaries would be different.
Right.
So the salary of a technician, technologist, or an engineer.
Okay.
And then talking about the return on investment, if you study for 2 years, you need to pay 2 years of fee.
Right.
For an advanced diploma, the students would be required to pay a 3 years of fee,
Right.
which would be more than a diploma. But if we compare the benefits, so the students would be getting jobs in designation of technologist.
Right.
Then you pay for a 4 years of bachelor's degree, and of course you get a job title where you would be working as an engineer.
Right.
So these were the differences in terms of the career outcomes the students would be having.
Okay. Right.
Then there is also difference in the course components which would lead to different career outcomes. So if I talk about advanced diplomas and bachelor's degree, the co-op part is a very integral thing of the courses
Okay.
in these advanced diplomas and bachelor's program.
Right, right. So, ma'am, so basically we can say that as per the duration of the course or the level of the course, it all depends the ROI with whatever the student is getting, that in terms of designation, in terms of his career outcome.
Yes.
Right, right, ma'am. So, ma'am, as you spoke about co-op, so could you please explain what co-op is exactly?
Okay, co-op programs are study programs in Canada where work experience is very well integrated into the study term of the students.
Right.
To explain further, suppose a student he wishes to do an advanced diploma for further study in Canada. So he may choose to do an advanced diploma where co-op is optional part or co-op is a mandatory part.
Right.
The advantage of co-op part is that the students gain practical work experience while studying. So that's the
Okay.
biggest benefit of co-op programs. So you get to experience what you have learned in your course.
Right.
So let's say a student is doing a bachelor's degree in engineering. So the first year of study is so structured that the first term is a study term, second term is a study term, and third term is a work term.
Okay.
So the student gets to experience in his third term, which we say co-op placement, whatever
Okay.
things he has learned in his first two terms. So this is very beneficial for students as they get to experience, they get real world experience of the things they are studying, and the best part is that you get paid for this work.
Right, ma'am. So it's a good thing that a student is opting with co-op programs. Right. So, ma'am, earlier you spoke about associate degree as one of the course option. So, what are these associate degrees?
An associate degree is a qualification which is awarded in the province of British Columbia.
Okay.
So if you would like to study in British Columbia, then this may be one of the options for you.
Okay.
These associate degrees are generally of 2 years of duration, and the structure of the degree is such that after the completion, the students, they may have two options.
Okay.
Either they can enter the workforce or they can use the credits of this associate degree towards their bachelor's program.
Okay. Okay. So, ma'am, why should a student go for this associate degree?
This is one of the course options, and these associate degrees may be best suited for students
Okay.
who may have average marks in their 10 plus 2.
Okay.
So as I said that the structure of associate degree is such that the students, they cover a broad knowledge, and even if your past academics are not that good, so you may be able to complete this degree successfully. The toughness level, the entry level, that may not be as high as the other programs.
Okay. So basically, in layman, we can say a student who is having somehow low scores, he can opt for associate degree.
Yeah, it may be option for them.
Right, right, right. So, ma'am, like it would be beneficial for all the students, I think, who are having low profile, you can say, or not eligible for directly to take admission in bachelor program. So they can take up this associate degree, and after completion of associate degree, as you said, they can further opt for their bachelor degrees.
Yes, this may be a good option for students who want to do a bachelor's program, but due to some reasons, maybe the percentage of marks in the 10 plus 2 or a IELTS band score, they may not qualify for the direct admission into a bachelor's program.
Right.
So this may be the route for them, the pathway for them, that they get admission in an associate degree.
Right.
They do 2 years of associate degree and then further take the credits of this associate degree towards a bachelor's program. So this may be a good option for those kinds of students.
Great, ma'am. Right, ma'am. So, ma'am, as you have told various course options for the students like associate degree, diploma, advanced diploma, bachelor degree. So, ma'am, how a student can choose a right course option for his career?
All these points were the factors based on which the students may differentiate between the courses. So choosing a course depends on the student's career aspirations.
Okay.
So the first and foremost thing the students must consider is about the career outcomes they would like to have.
Right.
What would they like to do in future? What kind of jobs they would like to do? So based on that, that's the first criteria the students must take into consideration whether to do a diploma, an advanced diploma, bachelor's degree or an associate degree.
Right.
Secondly, the budget also plays a very important role over here.
Right.
So your family, they have got finances for your further studies. So what is the kind of program that fits into your budget? So this
Right.
is another consideration the students must take, and the family has a big role to play in this. Another thing is about the eligibility requirements. So as the level of these courses is different, the eligibility requirements may also differ depending on the program. So these are few of the things the students must consider. But the first and foremost is the career outcome they wish to have, based on which they must choose a course.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this valuable information. So, friends, I hope you'll find this video very helpful while choosing your course. And if you need any help or any guidance, you can visit West Islander. We are in Sector 34A, Chandigarh. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.